Jyotika Bedi from Happiness is Love, and this is Amana, Ayana, and Pickle the Great. Pickle, say hello. He's busy having his bone. Okay, so today we thought we were going to make a video together. It's Valentine's Day, and love is in so many things and in the little things. And we all express love differently. So let me quickly ask my little tweenies, Ayana, what does love mean to you? Words of affirmation. Amana, what does love mean to you?
Hugs.
You like hugs? So you feel loved when Mama gives you hugs?
Yes.
And you feel love when Mama says words of encouragement for you?
Yeah.
Super. Pickle, what is your love language?
Bones.
Bones. He likes bones. And also today we thought that we are going to share a treasure box with all of you. So Amana Ayana very cutely made this, and I'd love for everyone to see this box. It's a love box. It's my happiness box that they made together for their mama and papa to express love and gratitude to us. Tissy? Tissy? And now I would love to share with you what this treasure has inside. These are such cute pictures from their childhood, happy moments from their school, and this is a picture of your first birthday. Yes, and this is a picture from a family wedding, and this is when Papa came to school and he hugged both of you and played with your friends. And now I'm going to show you what this treasure has inside. We have amazing love notes. Well, by the way, this is my love language. I love words of appreciation. So thank you, Amana Ayana. This really means a lot to me. I'm feeling very, very loved and cared for. With your permission, can I read what you have written for Mama Papa?
Sure.
Ooh. First, I'll read it and then I'll show. Dear Mama and Papa, we love you so much. You are the best parents ever. We love you both. No one is like you both. M for most understanding, A for awesome, M for most precious, and A for amazing, and that's what Mama stands for. And then we have Papa, P for positive, A for I'm always there to help, P for polite, and A for amazing, and that's what they have written. Thank you so much. And there is more. So we have, again, dear Mama Papa, we are so grateful for you, for your kindness. You both are the best Mama and Papa. You both are amazing, and we love you so much. As much as the universe. That is so sweet. Again, marvelous, awesome, magical, amazing, positive, respectful, and always kind. Oh, thank you. I love this, my treasure. And now Mama Papa are going to make a card for both of you. And so will Pickle, right Pika? Pickaloo? Oh, there is more in the treasure. We have more cards. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my God. Look at this. Happiness is love. Oh, thank you. This is so precious. Oh my God. It says the happy team. Of course, we are the happy team. And there are some really cute stickers out there. Did you put some stickers for Mama and Papa?
Yes, we put them on the box.
Please show me, Ayana. Can you tell me a little bit about these stickers? Oh, so sweet. So tell me, was it fun making this happiness box for Mama and Papa?
Yes.
Did you collaborate together, both of you?
Yes.
And what did you do? Did you sort of make notes on what you want to say?
No.
Then?
We were just writing.
Pickle, say hello. Say hello. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. We love you. So yeah, Amana, you were saying you collaborated on this together. What did you do?
we just thought to make something for you because it's Valentine's Day.
Thank you. And guess what, guys? I got this as well. Amana Ayana gave. Yes.
And this connects.
Yes, it connects our hearts. Yes, Ayana. Thank you so much, everyone, for all the love, for supporting us, for cheering for us and encouraging us always. Love, love, love.
Bye.
Now my most favorite part. Look how cute this is. This is... Why don't you explain?
So this is a card for Papa and Mama that he made.
Yes.
And it has like, it's mostly about Papa because this one was made for Papa. And it's about like acrostic poems and all of those.
How cute, Ayana.
Yeah.
This is so sweet. Is Mama Papa dancing?
Yeah, and there's emojis on you.
Oh my God, Jizzy. And they're like drum rolls. It says drum roll. So cute. What else? Here, drum rolls.
Well, no, drum roll means
Drum rolls. It's very cute. Beard, smile, hugs, photos, dogs, kindness. Hello, Pickle. Can we see your cute face?
where is beard?
Here. Beard.
Beard, smile.
Yeah, and look at the emojis.
Love, kindness.
Happy, helpful, kind, loving, funny, sweet. Thank you so much. This was so much fun and my most favorite. This is so thoughtful, Ayana and Amana.
I made this one.
Really? I love this. What is this that you made?
It's like
A bunting. Oh, check out the bunting. So cute, Ayana. Thank you. Yes. Anything you want to say in the end?
No.
Something to end our video.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. Keep smiling, keep shining, and keep inspiring.
Bye.
Bye. And bye from Pickle. Where did he go?
He went.
Pickle. We want you to say bye. Come here.